The next thing that we should do once we launch the website is to enter the data into this particular fields. To do that, let's go back to the code or the project, take attach browser, drag it here and spy this particular page, then start dropping typing tools so that we can enter the data into those fields. One type into here, the other type into here, then one right here, then one for the designation. Then we have mobile number, but it's not mandatory, so let's go for the gender. Gender, it's a radio button, so use check activity. Because there are two options, take an if statement and if the gender variable equal to male, then click on this, else take another checkbox activity and click on female, and here let's create a variable called gender and assign a value to it. Default value is male. Okay, when this is male equal to male, it will press on male, else it will check the female option. Then use the same activity and try to click on this. Once that is done, we have to use click activity to click on the submit button. Let's run this one time in the file, and there will be errors because we haven't given any value to it. Coming back to the code, just try entering some dummy data into it. Date of birth 11th June 2020, designation dev. This data should be sufficient to enter into that particular website. So launch it. As you can see, it's trying to launch it and it has started to enter the data into it. Just submitting it, and then once it submits the data, the employee ID and official email ID has been generated.